How to edit the duration of photos in TikTok on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to edit the duration of photos in TikTok on your iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, you just simply open TikTok, and then, since TikTok doesn't have an option in which you can change the duration of photos, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So go on the plus button right here, and then right here choose the effects or the filters button. So click on effects and search for the green screen filter. So type in green screen and then choose the very first option, which is this one. So click on green screen and then choose the photo that you want. So let's just wait for it to load. Choose a photo. For example, I will choose this one. So let's just wait for it. For example, I'll choose this photo. Make sure first that you're on camera and choose the duration that you want. So you may choose 3 minutes, 60 seconds, or 15 seconds. So for example, I'll just have 15 seconds and I want to have this picture for like 3 seconds. So press and hold on this button and wait for 3 seconds. So let's just press and hold on it. 2 and 3 and release it. And now go to effects once again, choose another photo and wait for it to load. So once you have choose another photo, press and hold on this button right here once again, and again choose or wait until you reach the desired time. And then repeat the steps if you want to change the photo. And once you're done, click on the check button right here, and then that's it. That's how you can edit the duration of photos in TikTok on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.